Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe SX, stock reference number 4894. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 5th month 2008. It has a D4 EB6 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4 EB6 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 4 dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, rear tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, grey cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, interior light, twin sunglass holder type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.